So, mayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Sa makausa ako guys sa Nicolas Garcia o welcome sa ako ang YouTube channel. So, kung wala pa mo subscribe mag-subscribe na. So, karon atong paghisgutan ang flowchart. So, unsa ang flowchart? A flowchart is a visual representation of a process or algorithm using symbols and arrows to show the flow of execution. It helps in understanding, designing, and analyzing the steps involved in a program or system. Common symbols include ovals for start and end, rectangles, rectangles for process, diamonds for decision making, and arrows to indicate the flow direction. Flowcharts simplify complex logic, making it easier to debug, communicate, and improve efficiency. They are widely used in programming, business process, and project planning. So, flowchart is sa algorithm na nag-use og mga symbols or arrows para sa pag-show sa mga flow sa execution. So, nagtatapang ko ni para ma-understand ako at ma-understand, ma-design, ma-analyze kung unsa ang mga pamaagi sa paghimo sa system. So, what is flowchart? A flowchart is used to visually represent a process, system, or algorithm that helps in understanding, analyzing, and improving workflows by showing steps in a logical sequence using symbols like ovals. So, as I've said, kanina nga nag-use siya of mga any shapes like oval, oval is stands for start or end, while the rectangle is mo siya ang nag-indicate ng process. Ang diamond is mo siya ang nag-control as a decision, and arrows is mo siya ang the flow sa direction. Flow charts are widely used in programming, business and education, healthcare, and engineering to simplify complex ideas, improve efficiency, and aid decision making. So here are the purposes of a flow chart. First, we have visualize. Second is defining and analyzing the problem. Third is planning. Fourth is design. Fifth is coding the solution. Sixth is testing and debugging. Seventh is implementation. And eighth is maintenance and documentation. So first, we will tackle the visualize. So visualize is flowchart provide a clear and concise visual representation of the program flow. Portrait po nagpo-provide siya og linaw o concise nga visual representation sa isa ka program nga kuan pagkasunod-sunod. They make it easy to see the sequence of steps and how different parts of the program interact. So, kini sa is mapadali ang paglanta kung sa ang mga steps or nagkasunod-sunod ba sila. So, second is defining and analyzing the problem. These steps ensures that the final product meets the expectations and address the specific problems or needs of the user. So kini sab siya is nagahatag kung unsa ang expectations sa isa ka tao o sa isa ka publiko sa kung unsa ilang kinahanglan. So third is planning. This helps to create the proper process, particularly concerning complex tasks and management. So Isab siya naghahatag po sa paghimo sa proper process like sa iyang sa pag-constrain complex tasks and management. Fourth is design. So si Kinesab siya is nag-create of data design for a planning that is easier for programmers to understand. Mapuni siya ang kuan. Kini naghatag siya o uh, detailed nga design aron mas masabtan bitaw sa usa ka programmer. So, including the solution is the flowchart serve as a blueprint for programmers. They translate the visual presentations into a workflow. So, diri na kay kuan ang isa ka visual representations kay i-turn na into visual code like i-code na siya aron ma kuan na implementahan na dayon. So, This is testing and debugging. So this helps in identifying and troubleshooting errors during the testing phase. Comparing the behavior of the flowchart help in finding the cause of bugs. So diri ano to mag-test, diri ano na to i-test try and error kung naabot mga bugs, naabot ah mga dili angay nga makita sa uban. Purpose of a flowchart. So implementation. When the software is tested and ready, it is implemented in the real world. So kanang i-implement na din nato siya sa ah, tinuod na siya nga senaryo. Like for example, dahil nagbuhat ko sa ka system ako na siya. Like na nakoy design, na nakoy plan, na nakoy uh, nag-test and try ako. So ang kinalasan is ako na lang i-public na siya aron makagamit ang ubay. So ready na siya gamiton. So maintenance and last is the maintenance and documentation. The flowchart is necessary for maintaining and updating software. It is also provides a clear understanding of the system logic, making it easier for others developers to comprehend. So sa maintenance is dahil siya na pina-update na mga software, pina-update na ang mga itong sa system. Karon sa kuan bitaw sa next development na mo, ngunit ani is mas mapadali siya. Dili na siya mag-isod o kuan siya, user-friendly lang gihapon siya. So, here are the three components, shape and arrows. Shapes, there are different shapes used for different types of actions. So, nagkalain-lain siya sa pinakauna pala na component na addition mga shapes na nagkalain-lain. Ah, like oval, um, square, rectangle, and diamond, etc. So arrows is used to connect and indicate the directions. Indicate the directions, the relationship between each shape. So here are the common shapes. As you can see na atay oval, diamond, rectangle, circle, and naatay parallelogram o pa. So, nara diri shape name purpose. Sa oval is muna siya ang start, stop. Ginagamit sa pinakauna o pinakaulahin. Ang rectangle is muna siya ang process. Nag-indicate sa process or action. Ang parallelogram is muna siya ang input or output. Ginagamit sa program para sa pag-output or input. Ang diamond is ang section. Ginagamit para sa pag-session kasagaran yes or no. Circle is ang page connector. Nagakonect ka sa isa o daghan pa nga parts na naa sa parehas sa page. Trapezium is off-page connector. Nagakonect ka sa isa o daghan nga mga parts nga nagkakatag sa lain-laing mga pages. So, naa pa example sa flowchart. So, mo ni siya start, then nag-input ko si the result in number one and number two, and then ang iyahan na dayo process is average is equals to number one plus number two divided by two. So, mo ni din dili nag-input na po process so friend average then mo ni din and then average ang output. So here, example number two, as you can see, the start, get dressed, yeah, decision na yun, do you have money in wallet? If yes, then go to shop. If then no, put money in wallet. Is brand a pen available? Decision gihapon. So if yes, take the pen. Or if no, is any other pen available? If yes, take the pen. Or if no, end the then the process. So if yes, take the pen, then make payment, then fine. Hanap na purchase the pen. So benefits of using a flowchart. It improves communication. The flowchart provides a clear, concise way to communicate the problems related to others. So, nag-provide siya of clear uh, nag-provide siya of clear, mas masabtan siya yung kasalanan. enhance problem solving. The flowchart is also a method for solving problems. It helps to break down complex problems into manageable parts. So, nag-enhance pa siya sa problem solving para mapaano mas madali ang atong pag-solve sa problem. Reduce errors by visualizing the logic. Programmers can identify and correct errors during the development process. So, dili nato ibutang ang atong testing. So, diri ana mag-testing kung may mga bugs, may mga errors, aron maandyan, aron mapadali siya. Increase efficiency. The flowchart is streamlines the development process by providing a clear roadmap for programmers. So, there's efficiency. So, here are the tools for creating flowchart. So, as you can see, natin using chart, ah, draw.io. So, pwede po dahil siya sa Canva. So, kung wala pa po mo na-try sa Canva, well, kailangan mag-use na o Canva o i-try na sila. Here we have another Microsoft Word subdivision. The flowchart is an important tool for the software development lifecycle, especially during the planning and design stages. It provides a visual representation of the program logic, making it easier to understand, develop. Sa flowchart hindi important dahil siya ang tool sa isa ka software development lifecycle. Kana, especially kana magplano ta o mag-design ta. Dahil nag-provide man siya og visual representation sa program logic aron mas mapadali nato sabot ang ka isa ka software ang gamitin po nato sa ang iyahang ginagamit. So, I guess that was all. Salamat kaayo sa pagpaminaw ug hinaot ko man ang mga sabtan. Salamat.